Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to insert fraction in Google Docs. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in Google Docs. Today I'll show you two different ways to add fraction in Google Docs. So let's start the first one. First one is you just enter the first number, then type divide symbol and the second number and hit enter. You can see here Google Docs automatically converts it to fraction. Also, I'll try next 4 by 5 and hit enter. You can see here this is also converted. In this way we can convert. Let's go to second method. For that, all you need to do is go to this insert and select special character. Over here choose number. Over here select fractions. Then you can see here are several fractions to choose with. For demo, I'll choose this one 2 by 3. You can see here 2 by 3 is inserted over here. In this way, we can add fraction in Google Docs. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.